Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of basket in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. We'll show you the front view first. So this will be the front view, the curve profile, and this will be the side view. Okay. Now go to home. This will be isometric view. Now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the exact plane. We'll start from top, rotate the view. Now from here we will select the ellipse command, select the center point and construct a ellipse profile. Go to dimension. It will take a half of the dimension. So this height here will be of 60 mm and this horizontal distance will be of 70 mm. Okay. Okay, this will be 50. Okay. Escape. Drag this dimension inside and this also inside. So this will be the dimension. Now finish sketch. Now take a extrude command and extrude it up to a height of 100 mm. Zoom out. Okay. Now here go to more. As this is a completely straight profile, so we'll take a taper angle of 10 degree. When we take a taper angle of 10 degree, it will expand outside from the upper side. If we change this angle to -10, so it will act in a different manner and go to reverse direction with minus profile inside. So here we will take plus 10 mm and the height of 100 mm and OK. Go to home. Now go to the fillet command and here we will take a fillet radius of 10 mm. Go to edge selection and select this bottom edge. So here a 10 radius fillet will be applied. Press OK. Now we will take the shell command. Go to shell. Here we will take a shell thickness of 3 mm. We will take here inside shell and select this top face. Okay. So only the 3 mm thickness will be left. Other profile will be shell. And OK. Clipping profile. Or first we will make this outer geometry. Okay. So from here take the 3D sketch and take include geometry and select the outer profile. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now we will construct a new plane. So go to plane, select this point over here, zoom in, select this point and select this curve. So a new plane will be generated along this curve. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. Now rotate the view. Now go to project geometry and project this point. Okay. Now from here we will take circle command and from the center point of dia 6.75. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to sweep command. The profile to sweep will be this circle and for path select this profile. Okay. So this will be outer boundary of the basket and press OK. Okay. Now we will make the slot profile. This profile we will make. So to make this profile, we'll select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Now go to rectangle command and here we will take center point arc slot. Select the center point and make one arc slot here. Okay. Now as you can see, this is not visible. So go to view, visual style and change it to wireframe. Okay. That's why we work in wireframe to make the inner sketches visible. Now go to sketch again, go to dimension. Here the radius of this will be 95 mm and this profile will be of 5 mm radius and the distance from the center, okay, We will take the horizontal distance as 15 mm. Similarly here also take this distance as 15 mm. Okay. Now escape. Go to finish sketch and take extrude command. Take here cut and take symmetric extrude. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now we want to cut profile here and this side. So one process is drag this arrow, or from here select all. So it will cut both sides. Okay, and press OK. So the same profile will be cut on both sides. Go to right view. You can see the profile. Okay. Now go to home. Now we are left with this pattern profile. For this pattern profile, go to sketch. From here we will take 2-point center rectangle and we will select XY plane. So this will be the front view plane. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now make a rectangle profile over here. Go to sketch, go to project geometry and project this line of this radius. Okay. Escape. Go to dimension. From this line, this will be at a distance of 8 mm. Okay. And the width of this rectangle will also be 8 mm and the height of 10 mm. Okay. Escape. Take here a vertical constraint. Select the center point and select the center point. So this will be vertically aligned. Escape. Go to circle command and from this top edge select this side edge. Escape. Now go to trim command. We don't want this inner profile, so trim this and this also. Okay, and escape. Select this middle line, make it a construction geometry. Now we will pattern this profile. So to pattern this profile, go to rectangular pattern, select this complete profile, go to direction 1, select this vertical line, and here we will take a count of 4 and the center to center distance as 18 mm. Okay, so this profile will be till here. Now okay. Now go to 3D model, take extrude command, select all profiles, go to cut command, take here distance 500 mm and press OK. Now go to circular pattern, select extrude 6 and go to rotation axis and select the Y axis. Change the count to 24 and press OK. Okay, so the pattern will be generated here. Now go to appearance. From here we'll take its appearance as red. So we'll take the color light red. Okay. Now go to this plane 2, right click and turn off the visibility. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct basket in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.